Yo, what's going on, guys? It's PyroMichael19 back again for another video. Today I'm going to be demoing off Kaleidoscope. It's a 8-shot by Phantom brand fireworks, and this is found in the Uncle Abe's Grand Finale assortment. But anyways, let's demo it off. And that's what the tubes look like. Alright guys, here goes Kaleidoscope. It's an 8-shot by Phantom brand fireworks. It's going to start off as a fountain, and then there's supposed to be 8 shots of aerial. So here we go. Kaleidoscope. Not a bad cake. If you see it in Uncle Abe's assortment, definitely pick it up. Kaleidoscope, 8 shots by Phantom brand fireworks.